Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad ki sangma ulai nyo yak integrated development jong Sora tourism circuit kum ka jingkala ka bakrao na kabenta ka kam jungo kai perthei jong Kejela bat ka nomuna na kabenta ka roy kapar ka bane kat kum ka jingthmu jong ka PM Divine habakren ha ka jingbu ya umau nongrim ha ka shitarik nai wiang ha ka jingdan lang Menteri ka sarkar pedeng ubakmi ya katna dona Ujoti Raditya Sindhya lambat ki wei ki he ki han Konrad ong bagani ka project kan day kabansa kin mau ha ki history na kabenta ka than Sora bar ka jala Meghalaya hi baro ka wei kani ka project kalawan urlong tang namar ki jingker khu ka jingbha ba ka jingdan men sim jo Menteri ka sarkar pedeng jongi Ujoti Raditya Sindhya kam day tang ka jingken tiu ya ka jaka jungo kai Henry ka day ka jingpen urlong ya ka jingthmu bante ki jaka jungo kai ki bala bane hakaleng kari ulaong Konrad ulaong bakani ka Sora project kabadai kabadingkong ha India hapo joka scheme PM Divine kan penkela dore ki jingtei hagikam jungo kai perthei kan kentiu ya ka kamai kaji jongi traishnong bat kan bu ya ka Meghalaya kum kan nuksa bahakmat jonga kam jungo kai kabane bat kabalaya lam dak lang salang Ngilong ki badan bok shibun bakani ka project ka baningkong lapentri ka mahangni ha Sora ulaong da ka babenram baka jing pele jing mo jong sarkar menta kam day tang ban khring shu shu ki nongwan Shanghai Henry Ru ban pen bhai ka jinga kendu jong baro ki nongwan Shanghai ka jing don ju ki nongwan Shanghai sha Meghalaya kala nangkio manlau snam Henry ka jing pen le jing mot ka jongi menta ka long halor ki jing te kilat penya so ba ka jing thawi ka jinga kendu ki bat pelong ki nongwan Shanghai ban sa slam bat ya kendu ba ki shnong ki thaw ki jongi ulaong Konrad ula keren ru halor ki jing thmu ki banwan ka bakan thop ya ka project ka ling sun bat ka jing tarwa ya ka jing shakri ling ba ki ling sun ki ban penya so ya ka shlong so ra bat ki wei pat ki jaka Menteri katna tourism Timothy di Shira ha ka jingkren ulaong baka jingthmu ka long ban pelong ya ka Sora kum ga jaka ha ka baki briu kin sa kham slam ban ngam kham jeliu bat ban yakindu ekinong shongstong ulaong ru bakum kini ki project kin thau ru ekilat aikam aijam shaki samla kathan ha ka ni ka sngi la yo ya ka jingkren pediang now chief secretary Dr Shakil Ahmad ubalak do ya ka jingkiu ka jingdan jong kinongwan Shanghai sha Meghalaya kabakot palat khat riulak ngot chisnam da ka banjur halor ka jingdan kam ban kentiu ya ka jingkhu jing suba bat ya ka kam jungo kai ka badan jingkit clear
because of the blessings and the kindness and the large heart of our Honorable Minister, Mr. Jyotiraditya Sindhya ji. I would request all the people present here, let us give him a round of applause. Friends, let me tell you, this project that has been seen as development of one destination. It's a vision of the Honorable Minister, it's the vision of the Honorable Prime Minister. But this vision is fructifying, and the first project of that larger vision to develop one destination in every state in a very, very organized manner from the minute details that are there. It is happening for the first time in the entire country. The first project has been taken up right here in Sora, in our state of Meghalaya. We are very lucky. We are very lucky to have a minister who understands, who cares, and who has a heart to give this project. Sir, on behalf of the people of the state, I would like to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and let me assure you that we will not let you down. This project is going to be one of the landmark projects for us, a game changer, I should say, for the people of Sora as well as the whole state of Meghalaya. There are many things happening in tourism, and we will see that in the next many years, many months to come, a lot of the projects are finally fructifying. The number of tourists coming into Meghalaya is increasing, but we would like to see that we'll be able to increase and overall improve the kind of spending capacity that tourists have in the days to come.